Chuck, thank you for sending in your sample material. I'm going to demonstrate the Tippmann Clicker press cutting with a clicker die. This is an 1.25 inch high steel die. Okay, now this type of die right here is built in-house. We can build any shape or size that you need us to cut it to. Okay, so I'm going to take the die, I'm going to put it on top of the material, I'll slide everything in, I'll click it out, you'll hear it snap through. Okay, so then I simply take the die off, and there you go. I've got your nice cut piece right there. Nice clean cut. You can see how clean that edge is right there. Okay, so next I'm going to take this is a much more rigid material here. I'm not sure what this is. This looks like it's maybe impregnated with some type of metal, perhaps. I'm not sure. But okay. So now I'm going to take, now this one I'm going to use the forged die. Again, this cuts very similar to the clicker die that I just used. This is just a round steel die. This material's, I'm going to sort of try and flatten it a little bit here, make it easier to slide into the press. Okay, so then I'll just slide everything into the press. I will click it out. Okay, and this die, I got a nice clean cut, as you can see right there. See how nice and clean the edges are. And I will send these samples back to you so that you can see that. Now the last cut I'm going to do, I'm going to take 4 sheets of the white material that you had sent into me. I'm going to cut a stack of this material at one time. I thought I had a tensile test die here. I don't, so I'm just going to use this die. This is actually a die that we use to cut surfboard fins for someone. But just to give you an idea how it cuts, this way you can see where you can cut multiple layers at one time, slide everything in, cut it out, you can hear it snap through. That's when, you know, with a lot of materials, you know exactly when it's cut because you hear the actual press snap through. And I didn't hold it quite long enough, that's why I had to pull that last one off. But you can see again, I get nice clean edges, okay? You can see how nice and clean these edges are here, okay? Well, I'm going to go ahead, I will send these videos over to you, then I will give you a call to discuss.